how to add your CloudCard Digital Business Card to your iPhone home screen. After tapping your NFC card or scanning the QR code, your CloudCard appears in the browser. Next, tap the Share button at the bottom and select Add to Home Screen. Rename your card and tap Done. Your CloudCard is now on your iPhone home screen. Simply tap the icon to share your card instantly. This will assist you in networking faster and impressing your potential clients. On the other hand, adding your CloudCard Digital Business Card to your home screen on your Android device couldn't be easier. Similarly, after tapping your NFC card or scanning the QR code, your CloudCard appears in the browser. Then tap the Kebab menu, that's the 3 vertical dots, in the top right corner. Select Add to Home Screen from the menu. Rename your card and tap Done. Tap Add. You can then manually place your CloudCard on the home screen or let it be added automatically. Your digital business card is now on your Android home screen. Access and share it instantly with potential clients.